Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the new One UI 8.0 beta update from Samsung. And while it brings some exciting new features, it also causes a few problems that you should know about, especially if you're thinking of installing it on your Galaxy device. So first off, Samsung has officially launched the One UI 8 beta, and it's currently available only for the Galaxy S25 series. Don't worry though, more eligible Galaxy devices will be included in the beta program soon. As always with beta updates, there are some bugs and glitches in the early stages, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. Let's start with the issues. According to new reports, some Good Lock modules and Google Wallet are not working after installing the One UI 8 beta. For those who don't know, Good Lock is a powerful customization suite from Samsung that allows you to tweak and personalize different parts of your phone, like the home screen, navigation, quick panel, multitasking, and more. After updating to One UI 8 beta, users have reported that 5 out of the 15 Good Lock modules have stopped working. These include Home Up Game Booster plus Navstar Quickstar Multistar. The good news? That means 10 modules are still working fine, and Samsung will likely fix the broken ones in upcoming beta updates. But if you rely on any of the broken ones regularly, it might be a good idea to wait for a more stable version. Now let's talk about Google Wallet. This one's a bit more serious. If you use Google Wallet for your daily payments, especially for things like tap to pay, you might want to hold off on installing One UI 8 beta. Users have reported that Google Wallet isn't functioning properly, and in some cases, it doesn't work at all. Also, based on past experiences with Samsung beta programs, some banking apps may also fail to work. So if you're using your phone as a daily driver for important tasks like mobile payments or banking, this beta update might not be worth the risk, at least not yet. On a more positive note, One UI 8.0 does bring some exciting new features, especially in the Modes and Routines section. For those who use it, Modes and Routines is one of Samsung's most powerful tools. It helps automate your phone to make life easier, like silencing notifications during meetings, turning on Wi-Fi when you get home, or opening Spotify when you plug in headphones. With One UI 8.0, Samsung has added new then actions that make Modes and Routines even more useful. These new actions include deeper controls for apps like Clock, Calendar, and Samsung Notes. Let's break that down. In the Clock app, you can now create, find, turn on, off, or update alarms, start, stop, or reset the stopwatch, do more timer-related. Tasks in One UI 7, only 4 basic actions were available, so this is a big improvement. For the Calendar app, you can now create a new event, find, or update an existing event show calendar, events automatically when a condition is met. And in the Samsung Notes app, the new options include creating a new note finding or showing a note, adding text to an existing note. These new actions give users even more control over how their phone behaves based on specific conditions like time, location, Wi-Fi connection, or even whether your phone is charging. These additions might seem small, but for power users, they're a huge boost to productivity. You could now set routines like, if I plug in my charger at night, create a to-do list in Samsung Notes, or at 9 a.m. every weekday, open my calendar and show today's events. Pretty cool, right? Now here's an idea worth thinking about. What if Google and Samsung worked together on Modes and Routines and turned it into something available on all Android phones? Right now, only Samsung users get to enjoy this powerful tool. But imagine if this automation system had support for third-party apps and was available across the entire Android ecosystem. It would be a serious competitor to Apple's shortcuts. App.Samsung and Google have already partnered on projects like QuickShare, Wear OS, Health Connect, and more, so it's definitely possible. A more advanced, unified automation system, Samsung is expected to release One UI 8 to the public later this year, likely after the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 launch around July or August. These foldables are confirmed to ship with One UI 8, pre-installed. Thanks for watching. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung news, tips, and updates. See you in the next video.